Hello, this is your host. Today we are going to talk about how to get rid of those stubborn dark spots that can sometimes appear on our skin. These dark spots can be caused by various factors such as sun damage, aging, or hormonal changes. But don't worry, because Mother Earth has got some potent solutions for you. We will explore 3 powerful herbs that you can use topically to fade away those dark spots. And the best part is these herbs are easily available in your kitchen. So let's dive in and discover the natural remedy for those dark spots. Herbs are nature's gift to us, and they have been used for centuries to improve our health and well-being. They contain various beneficial compounds that can be used to treat different skin conditions. The first herb on our list is aloe vera. This transparent gel found inside the aloe vera plant is a true miracle worker. When it comes to skincare, it's rich in antioxidants and vitamins which help to soothe and moisturize the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation caused by sun exposure. To use aloe vera for dark spot treatment, apply the gel directly to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once or twice daily for best results. In addition to fading dark spots, aloe vera also promotes skin healing and tissue regeneration, making it an excellent choice for treating sunburnt skin. If you are unsure about using aloe vera, you can do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Remember to always choose organic and pure aloe vera products to ensure maximum benefits. The second herb we will discuss is green tea. Green tea is not only a popular beverage, but also a powerful skincare ingredient. It contains polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that helps protect the skin from environmental stressors and free radicals. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can help reduce redness and puffiness caused by sun exposure. Additionally, green tea can help prevent the formation of new dark spots. To use green tea for dark spot treatment, soak a cotton ball in cold green tea and apply it to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. You can do this once or twice daily and for extra benefits. You can also drink green tea regularly to protect your skin from within. While green tea is generally safe for most people, it's important to note that some individuals may experience allergic reactions. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have sensitive skin or are unsure about using green tea topically. Our third and final herb is the turmeric. This bright yellow spice is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of skin benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Applying turmeric topically can help reduce redness and soothe irritated skin caused by sun exposure. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to inhibit tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for melanin production, which can lead to the formation of dark spots. To use turmeric for dark spot treatment, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a little water or milk to form a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. For maximum benefits, use this remedy once or twice daily. Turmeric is generally safe for most people, but it is important to do a patch test first, as it may cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some cases. Also, keep in mind that turmeric can stain clothes and surfaces, so it's best to use it with caution. While these herbs can be very effective in treating dark spots, it's important to remember that consistency is key. Be patient and use these remedies regularly to see the best results. In addition to using topical treatments, you can also take steps to prevent further damage and the formation of new dark spots. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays. You should also avoid excessive sun exposure during peak hours and wear protective clothing when outdoors. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can help improve overall skin health. Don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can lead to dry skin and the formation of dark spots. Lastly, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying skin conditions or concerns. They can provide personalized advice and treatment options tailored to your specific needs. Remember, while these natural remedies can be highly effective, it's crucial to use them safely and under the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider. Stay informed, make smart choices, and prioritize your well-being. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions about these herbs and their usage for dark spot treatment. Can I use aloe vera and green tea together? Yes, you can. In fact, combining aloe vera and green tea can be a great way to enhance their individual benefits. You can mix green tea with aloe vera gel or use them alternately in your skincare routine. Just remember to patch test the mixture on your skin before applying it to the entire affected area. How long will it take to see results? The time it takes to see results varies depending on the severity of your dark spots. and the consistency of your application. However, with regular use of these remedies, you may start noticing improvements in your skin within 4 to 6 weeks. Is it safe to use turmeric? During pregnancy, turmeric is generally safe for pregnant women when used in small amounts. However, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before using turmeric topically or orally, especially if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Can I use these remedies if I have sensitive skin? While these remedies are generally safe for most people, it is important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying them to the entire affected area. If you have very sensitive skin, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using these remedies. Are there any side effects to using these herbs generally? These herbs are safe when used topically or orally in small amounts. However, some individuals may experience mild side effects such as skin irritation, redness, or itching. If you notice any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Can I use these herbs for other skin conditions? These herbs can be beneficial for other skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment of your specific skin concerns. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay well, and I'll see you next time.